Hello everyone, this is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2021 BMW 530i. This vehicle has 248 horsepower with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Pretty nice interior right here. This is not an N Sport or anything, it's just like a regular 530i, so you just have the standard BMW steering wheel. You do have paddle shifters and heated steering wheel plus heated seats. I do like this screen though, it's a pretty big screen, which is nice. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless. It's iDrive 7. It looks pretty much identical, pretty similar to the one I have in my G80 M3. You have a reverse camera, digital gauge cluster. Seats feel really comfortable. I think this one has like little upgraded seats. They don't feel like the standard, like what do you call, synthetic leather, like Sensatec or Sensafin or whatever it's called. These feel really plush. They feel great. And you have a pretty big sunroof, which is power, even the shade's power operated and not like manual operated, which you have to pull it back. Glass sunroof, not initialized. Okay, interesting. Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. Center console storage, and you also have a wireless charging tray over there. As you can see, my phone in there. And here's the BMW key fob, standard key fob right there, the wedge-shaped key. Let's walk around this 530i. It's finished in Alpine white. You have BMW LED headlights on this car. Chrome grille. And I like these taillights. The facelifted taillights on the 5 Series look really good. Yeah, this is the G30 5 Series. And here are the rear seats. Dual outlet exhaust and pretty big trunk actually. You have pretty good storage in here. I like that. Let's get this out on the road and see how it drives. Smooth ride and smooth acceleration. This vehicle has 79,000 miles on it, so it was definitely very well used by the previous owner. It feels nice and smooth. Still feels great. It's really quiet in here, and this ride is really smooth. And obviously, this is not like an M Sport or M model, so it doesn't have like low profile tires. It has like some tires with some thickness to them, so you feel cocoon from the road. Is smooth. It's like riding on a cloud. Even in sport mode, you put an Comfort or Eco Pro, it's even smoother. Yeah, I just felt like the suspension loosened up a little bit, because obviously in sport mode it becomes a bit stiff. And this one doesn't have the Harman Kardon or anything, it just has the regular BMW sound in it. But it feels really nice to drive. But the most impressive thing to me, or thing I like the most about this specific unit right here, is the seats. The seats feel amazing. I don't know why they're so comfortable. Like Yeah, this is definitely not like the synthetic leather. It just feels like the kind of like the Napa leather seats. I don't know if this one is equipped with it or something, with like some kind of seat upgrade, but that's definitely what it seems like to me. But it's really, really quiet in here. I love it. This would definitely be a great daily driver for anyone, honestly. Like, it's extremely smooth, and it's quiet, comfortable. What more could you want, right? And also, since it's like the 530i with the, you could get a better fuel, some better fuel economy than a higher trim level 5 Series. And obviously it has the BMW's 8-speed with transmission, which is very responsive and very nice. Shifts quickly and smoothly. And BMW's, that transmission in all BMWs is nice. Like, this is not even like an M Sport or anything, as I said, but all BMWs have a sporty characteristic to them, regardless of whichever BMW that you're in, which is good. BMWs are all fun to drive. The lane keep assist feature is pretty sensitive, that's for sure. Like, even if you get a little bit close to it, it'll start like vibrating the steering wheel, which I'm not the biggest fan of. It's kind of like I'm barely even like touching it, and it just like keeps vibrating the wheel. But if you don't like the lane keep assist, you can turn that off, which is what I would probably do. But anyways, this is a nice little 5 Series right here. Smooth to drive, looks pretty good. Very comfortable seats, and I like the screen a lot. It's definitely a great daily driver. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for both new and pre-owned BMWs.